Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making sure the XM4 have enough charge and the power sequence is correct. Turn the headphones on by pressing and holding the power button until the indicator blinks. This both powers and primes pairing. On your phone or laptop, open Bluetooth settings and make the device discoverable. Once done, keep the headphones close to the source and avoid Wi-Fi routers or crowded 4 GHz areas so the initial handshake is clean and fast. With the device discoverable, you select WH1000XM4 in the Bluetooth list and accept any pairing prompts. This initiates the secure link. If asked for a PIN, enter 0000. After pairing, open the Sony Headphones Connect app to choose AAC, SBC, or LDAC codecs and fine-tune adaptive noise cancelling and ambient sound control. Make sure to set priority for call audio versus media in OS settings, because codec and profile choices affect latency and call clarity. Finalize by selecting the XM4 as the active audio output in your device's sound settings and play test audio at moderate volume. If you encounter dropouts or failure to pair, reboot both the headphones and the source device. Often that clears temporary Bluetooth cache. If problems persist, reset the XM4 by holding power and NC buttons for 7 seconds to restore factory Bluetooth state, then repair. One key tip: interference or multiple saved connections can block pairing, so delete old pairings before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.